sa lahat, hindi ko po hahabaan. Kailangan bilisan ko para maano ko yung nito, information nito. Sa lahat po ng naghahanap ng easy sit-up na pang karaoke for live, you can use this. Ito po yung gagamitin nyo, guys. Ito po yan. Yan pong nasa background ko. So, ang gawin nyo lang po, you need to have 2 gadgets to make this work. So, itong big wire is for your karaoke music. Itong maliit na wire is for your live streaming na gagamitin nyo for live. Doon nyo to ipasok. Ito naman, ito yung microphone nyo, guys, and headphone and microphone na yan. Ito namang black is for the plug-in for the power para gagana. Ito yung turn and off dito, at saka may iba-iba siyang dito details how to use it. So I hope, guys, I help you, and I just want to help everyone, and comment please below.